This is our new design Seaview gaming case. 270-degree full transparent double tempered glass. The side panel can be opened very conveniently. The top and bottom has dust filter. The case has 45 ARGB fans. The fans has different colorful models.